Today is Wednesday, August 14th, 2024, and you're watching Thunderclap Weather, and we're going to give you guys the scoop on what's happening in the Gulf of Mexico with Tropical Storm Ernesto, as well as a new storm developing behind Ernesto and a potential new tropical storm, as well as the forecast for today. So as you can see, we have a jet stream coming up from the south and going over the Midwest and then up through Canada and then back down through Illinois. So I do believe the storm that is in Arkansas right now is going to move through Tennessee, and we called that yesterday, and I do believe it will move to North Alabama for today, and then we'll see where it goes from there. So as you can see, the jet stream is definitely going to push it down to the southeast and then out into the Atlantic Ocean. So we are going to keep our eyes on it, and it does look like very heavy rain in Arkansas, and so definitely be careful driving through that and watch out for lightning and strong winds. So as you can see, there is like a bottom channel too that I think it'll ride on. And so here's Tropical Storm Ernesto, and it is looking like it's going to push its way out away from everyone, but right now it is hitting into Cuba and the islands in the Caribbean. And so we are having a little bit of a cool down, and this is the 6 to 10 day probability outlook on the weather, as well as some hot temperatures in North Texas and a cool down in Northern California. And here we have the high temperatures for today, and we're going to get up to 108 in Southern California and as high as 103 in Texas and 100 in Mississippi and Louisiana, as well as 79 in Maine. So it's going to be a pretty hot one, and the low temperatures are going down to 54 and 51 in Montana, so we're going to need to get the heavy jackets out. And in southern Nevada as well as California, it is going down to 84, so it's going to be pretty hot. Also down in the Keys in Florida, it's going up to 82, as well as in the Northeast, cooler temperatures in the 60s. So pretty mild across the board. And then here we have our warnings and watches, and we have a red flag warning in Oregon, and we also have some excessive heat warnings in Oklahoma. So definitely watch out for the heat if you are in Oklahoma as the storm has passed through. And we also have flood watches in North Dakota, as well as in Missouri and Arkansas. We also have some flooding, so definitely watch out for that if you are on the southern border of Missouri or the northern side of Arkansas. So other than that, we do have some heat advisories on the east coast of Florida, as well as the central U.S. and the southeast. So going to be a pretty hot one, so definitely try not to get overheated if you are working outside, but because it's going to be a pretty overcast day for most of the U.S., should be pretty good. So other than that, here's a time lapse of the high and low temperatures for today. And other than that, thank you guys. Please subscribe if you're new, and catch y'all tomorrow. Have a great day.